Remember, we definitely did a good review about the Creed movie. I remember doing that with you, and also we did a podcast on Lecture Verb app.
Yes.
Oh, by the way, guys, check out Lecture Verb app, guys. www.lectureverb.com. Just mention it for the camera for me, then, my brother.
Yes, www.lectureverb.com. Please subscribe to G Lyrics' movement. Very good app, very motivational, educational app. Yeah, for anybody who's in university, you must subscribe to it. They're doing a lot of online tutorials and that lot.
Yeah.
And
curated talks and,
yes,
and long distance learning and discussions and stuff.
Yes.
But we got something on there, guys. If you wanted to check it out, we did we did the Deontay Wilder and what's the other guy, Tyson Fury.
Yeah,
we did a podcast covering that clash. We also did one about Anthony Joshua.
Yes.
The first time he clashed with Vladimir Klitschko, but not only that, but when he clashed with the Mexican warrior.
Oh yeah, Andy Ruiz.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah. So you know, guys, that was a very big, detailed review that we did about that, because we didn't like the way he lost that fight.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, he wasn't prepared for that fight because the guy who was trying, he was supposed to fight a guy called Jerome Miller. Joshua was preparing for Jerome